No, in this use case we are focusing on the potato industry. So we are using drone flights to measure, I would say, predict the yield before we are harvesting. And then during the harvesting season we are using our machines to measure the yield together with these clever camera techniques which we have introduced during IoF2020. This combined gives us a very good idea of the yield growth of the potato during the season. The used camera system on our harvester is using new technology using artificial intelligence to measure the tara and the size of potatoes on an automatic way. We are adding traceability solutions to the harvester because with this information we can have the farm-to-fork strategy clearly visible for potato industry. With these new data points we can help the farmer and the processing industry to become much more effective. So we can give insight to the farmer on his fields, on where are the good places, where are the bad places. But also for the processing industry, these data points give much more value in real time to optimize their processes. There are several use cases of potatoes in IoF2020, so we found it very interesting to talk to each other and to exchange ideas and information around the potato world in these use cases. One of the lessons learned in this use case, which I think is important for every use case, is the data quality. Measuring and using sensors is quite easy, I would say, but the trick is in using the correct data. So we need to do a lot of data quality checks, data cleaning, before you can really use data and to make sense out of it. One of the big things to do in the future still is to work further on the data exchange legal framework, I would say, because data exchange between farmers and industry is still a hot topic. And this is today still not solved in a very efficient way. My recommendation for farmers is to certainly use this technology or try it at least. We are really offering this to the farmers. The farmers who have used this during the project are always in the beginning a little bit skeptical, but while using it they are seeing much more and more the value out of it. And that's quite interesting to see how this process evolves.